we'll be sending all of the slime videos we have been doing on our... It's upside down, I think.
No, it's fine.
Anyway, guys, it's really nice out here. Oh my god,
Really?
She scared the life out of me.
She scared the poop out of her.
Oh,
This is Millie Pops.
Millie, don't eat
Don't
that.
eat that.
Don't eat that.
You don't eat the phone.
Millie.
If you sit right in front of the phone.
Oh my god, my hair looks so pretty when it's flowing. Guys, do you want me to go get my phone soon?
Yes, you'll go film her video right now.
No, I'm not going to film my video yet because I need to check if anyone's messaged me, so I'll be back.
Okay, I'll pause the video.
Okay.
She's back.
Okay, play it again.
I already have.
Guys, so there's another cat outside.
Tiddle whittle.
Tiddles. He's sitting where our
Second place. There was just a fly on the screen then. If you want to see me up in a tree.
I will record her. I will post that.
Yes.
Kirsten went into a tree. Guys, mine's kind of like stiff.
Remember, if you stretch it and it breaks, it's not ready. Stretch it, it doesn't break, it's ready. So mine's still not
I
ready.
remember when my sister had slimes upstairs in my bedroom, and she decided to leave them, and one of them were cracked. A black slime was cracked. It went all over the carpet, all over her clothes. I went, you can wash your clothes, but I need to wipe the floor. And she was like, well, I didn't do anything. I was like, excuse me? But you did do something, because otherwise
Ladybird!
it wouldn't be so bad. Be careful, it's
guys.
make sure it's not poisonous.
No, there's over 50 types of ladybirds.
It's really cold. By the way, guys, outside, I thought it would be warm. We'll go on TikTok to see.
What was that?
It was your slime. It went over to me. Sorry, slime, but you can go over there. Right, so I'm on TikTok. You can't see
Not
it.
right artwork.
Wait, I think I found Naomi. Oh no.
Don't tell them off when they're playing. Hey! They're just playing.
Wait. Listen to this. Sorry, it's not PG. No. I liked it, so now we can go to my liked. Guys, the connection don't really work, so if it carries on loading, then it'll take a while. This is a random person. It's loading, sorry guys. Wait, hold on.
See here, right here on the nuts.
It's ready! It's not PG, but it's funny.
My slime is ready!
Okay, it's cold.
My slime's ready, guys.
This time.
Show them that! I did that earlier. We'll be sending that on YouTube. I'm into you. We've been down on our worst now.
My hair looks so cool outside, look. It's just like this.
Show them the cat.
No.
Like we did last night.
Does your nose
Yeah. After we filmed the Slime Squad videos last night, we made some TikToks.
Oh, bye. Wait, you can watch my videos because they're so cool.
But I'm gonna go grab a bag from my friend.
Wait, hold on. Oh, collection. Oh, that's bad.
It's not the fact that she kissed him yesterday, it's the feeling of betrayal that I just can't seem to shake. It's not the fact that she kissed
There's nowhere to go. Don't you go.
Alright.
Oh my god, this one's private, but listen to the song. Gonna start raining. Because I have new bias, I have to go like that. To the swallow, it's gonna be Scotty's bigger. What? Scotty.
What's that, guys?
Is that my dad?
No.